Welcome, and follow me is a NOKIA 6.1, and today I will show you how to perform a hard reset through settings. So we'll start off by opening up the settings, and you can either open it up through the icon, which is in the up drawer right here, or you can just do it by pulling down the notification panel twice, and you will find this gear icon right here. So you can just tap on it right here and go into the settings, and from here go all the way down into system, and from here find advanced, and then you have reset options, and at the bottom you will find erase all data factory resets. Tap on it, then you get a message what will remove. Once you read it and are comfortable with it, you can tap on reset phone and erase everything and let the device perform the respected operation. And mind you, this might take a couple minutes, so just be patient, and I'll be back once it is finished. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.